What's good, guys? Disney Syndrome here. Okay, what were the triggers? I want to do like a poster, something like Harry Potter. I felt like Shatter. You know when Tom Riddle asked the professor, like, is there a way to divide the soul?
How does one split his soul, sir?
Because he find out that with Avada Kedavra, like the spell, like he could shatter his soul. And I want to show that, like the shattering of the person through the spell, you know? But also the breaking, because it's not like you're separating something and it's good, like it's shattering, it's breaking. Like it's not good to do that, you know? But he did it anyways because he's Voldemort, you know? Avada Kedavra. I want to use Midjourney to make an image. I just want to do the shatter glass thing. I want to do like 7 pieces because they were 7 Horcruxes in Harry Potter. This is an action, guys. I made an action that I use it all the time. This is the action from the tutorial. You already have this for free. Okay, what the fuck? I did that by mistake.
Looks fucking epic.
What do you think, guys? I think it's powerful, you know? Done, my guys. I'm tired. That was it, my guys. I hope you enjoyed the poster. See you tomorrow in the Discord. Let's keep getting together better on that grind, boy. Fuck peace. Wish you conflict. Shit.